So it's been raining yesterday and today. So I decided to do a rainy day lookbook for you guys. This video was so fun to make because I got to play in the rain, splash and puddles. Thumbs up this video if you like playing in the rain. Alright, let's get right into the video.
Letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, just wait a while. You're not the big fish in the pond no more. You were one defeat in